Good evening everyone. Good evening guys. Welcome to my channel again. So as you can see guys, nakikita natin ang mga puti-puti sa tabi ng kalsada. What you can see also at the side of the road, the white one is snow. Because for 3 days ago there are snow, and that was nice because I love snow sometimes, because snow in Austria is not really every day, so that is why I love snow when it's snowing time, because we are thankful that sometimes there is snow. Kasi guys, pagka minsan talaga wala talagang snow, buong October, buong November, buong December, wala talagang snow. Kaya nga ano kami ngayon swerte kami ngayon na we are lucky that in Austria that now there is already snow in December. So yun. Pero syempre maganda siya guys. Look like a paradise, but it's very cold. We have our -2 degrees Celsius, and our time now is about close to 4 PM. So yun, as you can see guys, ayan, snow yan. The trees are like painted trees. They are like painted trees because of the frozen snow. So ayan, binabagalan ko drive para makita natin ang gusto. So ganyan guys, kalamig at ganyan ang winter dito sa Austria, as you can see. So ayan, ganun guys kami dito sa abroad, tiis-tiis lang, hindi kami masaya kami, syempre masaya, may trabaho, may kayang magbayad ng inuupahan. Pero syempre iba pa rin kapag nasa Pilipinas, dahil bayan natin yun bayan nating sinilangan. So hinahanap-hanap pa rin namin ang Pilipinas, pagkain. Sorry kasi kaya ako inubo kasi kanina sa trabaho pawis na pawis kami, tapos paglabas super lamig, kaya yun. Talagang uubuhin ka talaga. So guys, enjoy watching the snow. And ayan, this is just video that I can show you, because I cannot invite you all here in Europe to see the snow personal. But of course, one of you are sure you can afford to come in Europe or in Japan or in Korea to see snow. Kailang tayong mga guys na nangangarap makarating ng snow ng Europe para makakita ng snow is i-try ninyong pupunta ng Korea, kasi sa Korea ang dami-dami rin nilang snow doon. Kasi ano lang yan 5 hours lang mula Pilipinas. Dito kasi sa Europe talagang babiyahe ka ng eroplano na aabutin ng 20 hours mahigit bago ka lilipad ka ng 20 hours mahigit bago ka makarating ng Europe. Tapos lilipat ka ng, depende kung anong airlines ang kukunin mo. Kasi nung una kong dating dito sa Europe, ang una kong stopover is Malaysia. Tapos mula Pilipinas, Malaysia, tapos Holland, tapos Holland to Austria. Tapos nung nagbakasyon naman kami 2007, Singapore naman ang aming baba. Tapos pagbalik namin is parang yata yung Germany. Yata namin noon is Singapore, tapos Germany to isang beses ka lang mag-stop over. Depende doon sa airlines. At minsan naman 2 times ka mag-stop over. So, kaya depende sa airlines na. So, yan guys, as you can see, very white. Kasi may mga area, may mga lugar na mas makapal ang snow. Tapos mayroon namang area na pakunti-kunti lang ang snow. Kasi araw-araw natutunaw naman yan sila eh. Unti-unti silang natutunaw. Lalo na kapag medyo uminit-init ang temperature. So, natutunaw yan sila unti-unti. Pero ngayong gabi, hindi yan sila matutunaw. Talaga magstay yan sila hanggang bukas na ganyan. Kasi minus degree Celsius pa rin.